Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to fiber etch some Hex Bar. My company does a lot of custom industrial work, and part of that is making measures using various materials. In this case here, the customer wanted Hex Bar, which you can tell by just the profile of it, why it got that name. And they needed this with a measurement scale on it. It's a bit hard to see at a distance, so I'll show you up close once this works. And what this allows them to do is when they build their machine, they can have certain parameters that are very easy to calibrate on site. And the nice thing about using Hex Bar is that it's incredibly strong. This thing here weighs about 5 pounds, or about 2.5 kilograms, just like this here. And the fiber etching is permanent. So the markings that you see here are actually the measurement scale. And this will not fade, crack, or peel over time. And this is 304 stainless steel. Now the nice thing about my company is everything we do is totally custom. So in this case here, they just wanted 2 of them. They're identical in every way. But because we're doing one at a time, we can actually customize each one to the specific application for the machine. So let's say one here they wanted millimeters, another one they wanted inches, another one they wanted just dots or whatever kind of reference they want, or they wanted branding onto it. That's not a problem at all. Now the other nice thing is because we're doing one at a time, we can also do every surface. Now in this case here, it's just one surface, but we could have gone all the way around and done as much stuff as the customer needed us to do. Now the biggest question I get from customers whenever we do custom metal work is what is the difference between fiber laser etching and fiber laser annealing? And the process is almost identical. They use the same speed, they use the same power. The only difference is the focal length between the material. So in this case here we use fiber etching, and the reason for that is because we needed like tactile feel. So I know you can't feel this on the video, but when you run your finger over it, you actually feel the etching. And that's important for certain applications. But the other advantage of etching over annealing is the viewing. You can see that from a lot more different angles because it gets rid of the reflectivity in the metal as well. While annealing, you still have that reflectivity, so it's a little bit harder to see. Some customers say, well, they really like the blackness or the really darkness of the annealing. You can have the same sort of effect with etching as well. It just depends on which angle you're looking at. And you can also put an industrial coating on it, which will make it almost jet black as well. So if you have custom fiber etching requirements, contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll do it for you.